I replaced all my drinks with water, and this is what happened to my body. Ever wondered what could happen if you replace soft drinks, juice, alcohol, tea, or even coffee with just water? Yes, we know this sounds crazy, but just take a moment to think about it. No soft drinks, alcohol, or coffee, just clean drinking water. Well, this is clearly a challenge. Swapping your favorite drinks and beverages with water is anything but a day's job. But of course, the good news is this great move can transform your health in ways you never thought possible, just like it did mine. Think you got what it takes to push yourself out of your comfort zone in this regard? If yes, here are a few amazing benefits you'll get to enjoy along the way. Number 1. Detoxifies your body. Feel like you need a full body cleanse? Or perhaps you're looking for a way to speed up your metabolism and boost energy levels? If yes is your answer to these questions, drink water. Yes, the moment you start replacing your drinks with water, your body will begin to flush out toxins and impurities from your system. And of course, this all-important cleanse will eventually speed up your metabolism, even in ways you never thought possible. Speaking of which, drinking just 17 ounces of water in the morning can increase your metabolism by 24%. Sounds good, right? Well, it sure does. Number 2. Boost brain power. Finding it hard to think clearly or concentrate on things that matter? Well, if yes, I'll recommend you give your brain what it needs: good old plain water. For those who might not be aware, the human brain consists of 75 to 85% water. With this in mind, you can tell just how important water is to your cognitive performance and overall brain function. In fact, the seemingly simple act of drinking sufficient amounts of water can boost one's cognitive performance by 30%. So yes, whenever you feel lightheaded, dazed, and dehydrated, just see it as a sign to make a big switch to the water diet. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. Number 3. Lose weight. This is perhaps one of the greatest and most amazing benefits of swapping your favorite drinks with water. Yes, giving it all up for clean drinking water can actually set you up for incredible weight loss. Of course, today, it's no secret that most, if not all, carbonated beverages are packed with alarming amounts of calories, usually in the form of sugar. So as you probably thought, cutting them off will reduce your daily calorie intake drastically. That's not all. Water also helps curb food cravings. Trust me, a glass or two will work wonders when the urge hits. Number 4. Perfect skin. Tired of dull, less than perfect skin? Well, just kick out the sugar and alcohol. And of course, start drinking lots and lots of water. The result? Super plump, radiant, and youthful-looking skin. In other words, your skin will be perfect. Number 5. Healthy heart. Did you know that drinking up to 5 glasses of water a day cuts down the risk of a heart attack by 41%? No? Well, now you do. Be sure to stock up on those bottles and start drinking your way to a happy, healthy heart. The good news? Water is way cheaper than soda, soft drinks, alcohol, and even coffee. So of course, you'll get to stay healthy without burning a hole in your wallet. The perfect win-win.